Hi everyone, I'm Anna. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you an easy, delicious, crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside focaccia bread. We're going to need 750 grams of flour, 550 ml of lukewarm water, 1 tablespoon of yeast, and 15 grams of salt. Add all your ingredients to the mixing bowl. And let's mix it for 10 to 12 minutes until soft, firm ball of dough is formed. Oil the bowl with extra virgin olive oil and put some on your hand as well so the dough won't stick. Take it off the hook, gather and pinch the edges of the dough until you create a round bowl shape. Drizzle some extra olive oil on the dough, cover it and let it rest in room temperature for about 2 hours until it doubles its size. Or you can do what I did, I let my dough rest in the fridge for 48 hours to create the fermented flavor. After the dough has risen, let's oil the pan of our likings. I'm going to use a Pyrex because I want a tall, nice focaccia. And using your fingers, spread the dough evenly in the dish. Spread extra olive oil and let the dough rise again till it doubles its size. It will take about an hour. And now gently with your fingers create those amazing looking pits that everybody loves in a focaccia. Now I happen to have fresh herbs and I'm going to use thyme and rosemary, but you can definitely use dry herbs or leave it plain just like that. Drizzle some extra olive oil. And of course, let's not forget to add some salt. And here's a great little addition to the focaccia bread. We're going to create quick and simple baked garlic. Grab a garlic head, chop the top, add some salt to it, add some olive oil and wrap it in foil. Bake the focaccia and the garlic heads for 35 minutes at 450 Fahrenheit. And there she is, the focaccia. She is crunchy on the outside and soft and delicious on the inside. My focaccia has been fermenting in the fridge, building up flavors for 48 hours. And I cannot describe the delicious flavor that it has. You have to try it. It's honestly so simple to make, but so impressive. You can find the full list of ingredients in the description box below. Serve the focaccia with a dip of olive oil mixed with some balsamic vinegar. And now it's time to enjoy and indulge in the delicious flavors we created. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. And don't forget to press that like button and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out my next recipe.